If you find yourself with a camera in your hand and want to learn how to use it, please subscribe to this channel, like the videos, comment below. Hey Photos family, today we're talking about the fourth of 5 parts of storytelling, the resolution. The resolution is itself a basic plot completer because we were talking about the plot itself creating more questions and answering the questions of the hook. So the resolution itself is going to be answering the questions of the twist and perhaps the questions that were brought up that we might not have realized possible because of the twist in the plot itself. But the resolution is answering those questions in a little bit more final way. But the resolution is not intended either to be a closure to the whole story. It's meant just to answer questions. And so it's meant to leave the last major question still open, a very specific and open question that very much is answered and draws people to read through to the end of the book, right? So the resolution is not the end. It is an ending, but it is not the end. And it still leaves some very specific things available that only can be addressed in the conclusion. So with what we just described as the twist and the example I used in that video of the twist and what could visually be created by such a twist, the major disturbance of it, the major disturbance, quote unquote, of that twist. Disturbance doesn't have to be anything negative. It can be itself, by and large, just the action or the motion of something. We anticipate, as I was saying in the twist episode, something moving in our cloud and the vision that isn't seen in the photograph, but our experience and our memory draws us back to that time where we were enjoying the emotion communicated, or we may have been experiencing that emotion as strong as it may have been. And so we anticipate seeing our experience of whatever that was in motion coming into the photograph. Usually the best photographs are either what create that strong emotion or what remind us of that strong of an emotion. So the resolution of a story plot and essentially are the same 5 principles of the story itself in a book or a video or other things are the very same principles that we build good photographs on, and giving quality ability to look at that photograph time and time again, to enjoy and to be reminded of, to really and truly plant those good memories and thoughts and enjoyment of those relationships and all the other things, reminding ourselves of what we enjoy, our favorite products or whatever else. I really and truly, that's what commercials are. Reminding us of the thing that we bought and how glad we were that we bought it and the reasons that we bought it and the reason we enjoy wearing those things or whatever the case may be. So the resolution is the same kind of thing of the plot, and the twist is answering the same questions that were created by them. The resolution is strategically answering each of those questions and putting to rest the stirring up of whatever it is, whether it's a disturbance that is negative and troubling, and answering the questions and sharing with the reader, the viewer. In our case, since we're creating a photograph, it would be the viewer. The resolution answers those questions. It draws to a close the understanding, but again, it doesn't close. You remember that key. It doesn't close. It only draws to the close, so that when the close comes, the close is final. It gives the answer to the last thing, but we're not going to get there to the conclusion yet. I will leave those conclusions and those details for our next episode. Thank you so much for watching. We look forward to your comments down below, your thumbs up, so other people can see this content and add quality to their shooting and build to the next level themselves. But if you are not yet a subscriber, we would love to have your subscription. Thank you so much. We look forward to adding you to our family here at Photos. Thank you so much. God bless.